Hey there, this is Tolly Anderson outside the Orange County Superior Court in Costa Mesa, California. On behalf of California Family Law Naked Truth, you can see many have gathered here behind me, and we're here today to chat with them.
It's time for us to stand behind the one person who is ready to take the fight to the very institutions that have failed us. A man who has dedicated his life to exposing the corruption and ensuring justice for families across California. It is my honor to introduce you to the next Attorney General of California, Michael Gates.
When I was city attorney for 10 years in Huntington Beach, I fought Sacramento on a regular basis. So for 10 years, I fought Sacramento, taking on the overreach, taking on the mandates, taking on the unconstitutional laws that are coming out of Sacramento. And the only reason I'm running for Attorney General, frankly, is to fight for everyday Californians on a statewide scale rather than just the city of Huntington Beach.
We have people here from Riverside, San Bernardino, Orange County, Los Angeles, and beyond. We are here to protest against the judges. As of today, we are going to be focusing, we're going to be focusing on the judges and attorneys and CPS and anyone else who has caused corruption in family court cases.
Josh from Orange County, why is it so important to come out and have those voices heard today?
Well, there's just so much corruption going on in the family courts. I'm here specifically because I had Dr. Reinhart in my case, and she's committing medical fraud and just a litany of other crimes. And the district attorney's office has a completed investigation on their desk right now as we speak, and they haven't arrested her yet. And so we want to see Dr. Reinhart held accountable for her crimes, and we want justice in the family court for our children and the parents involved.
Some attendees allege serious misconduct tied to their personal cases and say they're still waiting for accountability.
This is Jay from Orange County. He's here today in Costa Mesa, gathering outside the courthouse. But what's your experience been like in the courtroom?
I've been to the court 24 times, and I've not even had the opportunity to say one word in the court. You know, it's been 830 days since I've seen my 4 children.
Why did you come out here then today? The importance of having that voice heard?
Absolutely. I think that those who have the strength to speak out against what's going on, maybe it will propel another person to get the strength to come out here and share their story as well, because we're really in a position of helplessness. There are no laws in place to stop these people from doing whatever they want. There's no jury. It's just the judge who is the jury and the executioner.
Others describe long, emotional battles inside the courtroom.
We're with Shalene from Orange County, California. Why are you here today gathering in Costa Mesa?
Well, there's a whole system and a process that people are not being heard. We're being silenced, getting, cease and desist and things just even from telling our story. So we're just trying to say that we're not going to stay silent forever. We're going to come out and support our children.
There is a great need in the state of California to return to the rule of law, to return to law and order. And one of the reasons that we are seeing the lawlessness that we are seeing up and down the state of California right now, the absolute lawlessness, is because in large part, when Rob Bonta took office in 2021, he was actually a political appointment by Newsom. He didn't get elected to that spot in 2021. He was a political appointment. And ever since he's been in office for the past 5 years, he simply has been running interference and running to cover for corruption. And one of the things that I'm going to do on day one when I'm Attorney General, I'm not going to Sacramento to make friends. I'm probably going to make a lot of enemies because I'm going to Sacramento to fight for everyday Californians, particularly the most vulnerable in our society, which is why this issue, a lot of the complaints, a lot of the concerns that I've been hearing from the community about our family court system, we are going to confront that head on.
Protesters say this is just the beginning, vowing to continue raising awareness and pushing for reform across California's family court system.
And to follow along, for more information regarding the family courts, you can always visit www.californiafamilylawnakedtruth.org, or as always on their social media at California Family Law NT for Naked Truth. But for now, in Orange County, I'm Tolly Anderson.